Bitcoin. What can you buy? Have you invested in Bitcoins earlier? Then it's time to use them. But you must be wondering what you can buy with Bitcoins. So it's time to put an end to your suspense. Don't skip the video or else you might miss something. With Bitcoins, you can do many things. Maybe even everything. So let's have a look. You might anticipate Bitcoin with a fearful approach due to the fact that these are private currencies and don't have government backing like dollar and other fiat currencies have. But the odds are changing now, and governments are getting more serious about digital currencies. China recently launched its digital yuan, and the US government is also discussing launching its digital dollar. The future of digital currencies is bright, and you will be amazed to know about how the world has adapted to Bitcoin and how you can now buy almost everything from your Bitcoin wallet the same way you can with your fiat currency. And guess what? After watching this video, you will be convinced that you should invest your money into Bitcoin and start using it as you use your regular debit card to pay the bills. So let's start. With Bitcoin in your wallet, you can go for a vacation, and a long one at that. Number 1 on our list is a long vacation with only Bitcoin in your pocket. Are you eagerly anticipating a break? It's time to use your Bitcoins. Several airlines like Cheap Air now accept Bitcoins as payments. Expedia, which takes Bitcoins, is another option for booking a flight. While traveling, there are still many ways to pay using crypto. The Kessler Group, a luxury hotel company located in the United States, is one of many hotels that accept Bitcoin. If you want to spend your cryptocurrencies, try taking a vacation to Vegas. Hotels like the D and the Golden Gate in San Francisco accept Bitcoins as payment. So you may be a crypto geek. Well, if you are, then you are good to go and challenge your friend to go on a vacation with them with only Bitcoin in your pocket. And you will be surprised to see that it will work everywhere. If you might not have time to go for a vacation now, then where else can you use your Bitcoin? Why not try to pay your college fee with it? Let's try and find out if it's possible. Number 2 on our list is complete your college education with Bitcoin only. Don't be surprised, but there are some colleges where you can buy Bitcoins for paying fees. It sounds interesting, right? King's College in New York City started accepting Bitcoin as payment for tuition in 2014. And now it's 2022. So some other colleges have followed suit and now buy cryptocurrencies as a means of payment. However, making the payment does not necessitate the use of your digital wallet. Many kids and their families invest in Bitcoin, then cash out when it's time to pay for school. After graduating, you might put your money into cryptocurrency investments and then utilize the profits to pay off any accrued student debts. Some drawbacks exist, including the possibility that Bitcoin's value might fall as college tuition continues to grow. But wait, we will not let that happen to you. So subscribe to our channel and we will be helping you with our videos. We upload videos which include information that every crypto guy must know. So, turn on the notifications to stay updated when we upload new videos. Up for shopping? Let's buy jewelry and pricey watches. Number 3 on our list is jewelry and pricey watches. The use of Bitcoin as a payment method has been adopted by several luxury goods manufacturers and merchants. BitDials is a luxury watch merchant that sells Rolex, Patek Philippe, and other fine watches for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Luxury watchmaker Frank Muller also makes a watch with the Bitcoin Genesis block QR code. It's possible to buy jewelry with cryptocurrency at several other jewelry businesses connected with payment processors. For number 4, we have e-commerce and technology items. Several businesses specialize in selling technology products that now accept Bitcoin as payment. Microsoft and AT&T are some of the big names in the industry. However, the Xbox game console does not presently accept Bitcoin payments from Microsoft. Aside from that, it doesn't allow any adverts on its site promoting cryptocurrencies or crypto-related items. Patrick Byrne, the company's founder and CEO, was an early proponent of accepting Bitcoin at Overstock, an e-commerce platform that sells a broad range of products. Many other large and small websites accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. Shopify and Rakuten, a behemoth in the Japanese e-commerce market, are two good examples. Amazon, the world's largest online retailer, and eBay are notable exceptions to this rule. Amazon had no intentions to use Bitcoin as long back as 2014, because sites operated by the firm, such as Twitch, accept and promote the usage of Bitcoin. Number 5. If you are a Bitcoin millionaire, you can buy a private jet. Even if driving a vehicle isn't your thing, you can still travel to the sky in a private plane purchased using Bitcoin. Buying a $40 million Gulfstream G650ER business jet is now possible with Bitcoin thanks to Aviatrade, a company that offers a broad range of aircraft, including business jets. Number 6. Artwork. Big names in the art world like Sotheby's and Christie's are now accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum as payment methods for Banksy artwork they're selling in May 2021. That's big news if you love to buy art. If you're on a tighter budget, you can still use Bitcoin to purchase a piece of art. You may buy art online at Singulart, an online art shop that provides free international shipping and returns on all purchases and takes Bitcoin as a form of payment. Many well-known as well as up-and-coming artists can sell their artwork online via the Singulart Gallery. Other than that, NFTs can be bought with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Number 7. Charity. A growing number of organizations are taking Bitcoin as a method of contribution. Among them are well-known charities like the American Red Cross, the American Cancer Society, UNICEF, and lesser-known ones like the Water Project, Save the Children, and Run to Rescue, among others. Even if a charity does not take cryptocurrencies directly, you may still contribute via Charity Vest to any charity of your choice. Charity Vest funds received $8.1 million in donations in 2020, enabling it to help more than 2,100 nonprofit organizations. Number 8. Buying Bitcoins using PayPal. Users may now pay with Bitcoin at millions of retailers utilizing PayPal's Checkout with Crypto service, which was introduced in May. Using PayPal's exchange, a business may buy Bitcoin and have it converted into US dollars. At one time, PayPal was claimed to have purchased 70% of all freshly generated Bitcoins to make the business feasible. The service is handy for people who use PayPal as their principal method of buying and selling Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, even though clients cannot transmit money from their wallet to their PayPal account. Number 9. Food and beverage. Since 2010, when Laszlo Hanye spent 10,000 BTC to have 2 pizzas delivered to him, the Bitcoin to pizza exchange rate has altered considerably. It is widely acknowledged that this was Bitcoin's first commercial transaction. However, he might have made nearly $318 million today if he had stuck onto that BTC instead of eating pizza. Isn't hindsight always better than foresight? Because Pizza Hut has collaborated with cryptocurrency payment processor CryptoBuyer to take cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin in Venezuela, the transaction spirit continues today. However, this isn't the first restaurant chain or online ordering service to take Bitcoin. And for number 10, you can even purchase a property. An Essex, United Kingdom home sold for $350,000 or $480,000 in Bitcoin in 2017. It became the first property to be sold exclusively for the cryptocurrency. It's still rare to buy real estate with Bitcoin. Most of London's expensive property may be purchased for Bitcoin in 2021, but it's now a far less frightening endeavor. That's because of the rise of cryptocurrency-focused real estate agents. But Home, a Swiss consulting organization, offers a selection of residences in Europe, the US, and Asia for sale in cryptocurrency. Open House, for example, includes more than 200 houses spread around Spain, including numerous multi-million-dollar mansions and a wide range of other properties. When it was announced in April 2021 that it would allow real estate sales to be made using Bitcoin via a dedicated crypto part of its website, Argentinian online marketplace Mercado Libre entered the battle. Now let's move on to how you can use Bitcoin to buy something. With the cryptocurrency debit card, it is the most straightforward and most convenient method to use Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies to make purchases. Many major cryptocurrency exchanges and other providers provide these cards, which may be used to make cash withdrawals from ATMs. Several large networks, including MasterCard and Visa, are involved. And now you can pay anyone using QR codes. In these QR codes, the receiver can add the amount of the Bitcoin he wants to receive, and the receiver can also add to the QR code the currency he prefers to get paid with. So what is the method of using a Bitcoin debit card? Payments are made using a Bitcoin debit card, much like a standard prepaid debit card. The only difference is that Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency is preloaded into that card. Your cryptocurrency is removed from your card and paid to the merchant in fiat money, like dollars when you use it at a shop. The card may be reloaded if your balance falls below a certain amount. Almost all major crypto exchanges now offer their card, and which can literally replace your regular Visa card. You can now head up to any of your exchanges, where you can request for the card from the exchange. Among the famous exchanges offering card service include Binance, which is famous for a lot of cashbacks, and Guess About Nuri Exchange. And the most famous Coinbase also offer cards with one of the best quality services. Thanks for watching till the end. You can support our efforts here on YouTube by hitting that like button and subscribing if this video makes you enjoy it. Happy Bitcoin, and see you in the next video.